Great tips and tricks to stop snoring. Snoring while loud and annoying may be a great indicator of the current state of your health. That's right, your snoring could be noisy for a reason. It's best to find out what causes it so that it can be properly treated in order for you to rest. The tips below can help. If you have a snoring problem, avoid sleeping on your back. This position makes snoring more likely because of the way the soft palate and base of the tongue rest at the back of your mouth. Instead, sleep on your side. You are less likely to snore in this position and your quality of sleep will likely improve. Facial exercises do more than just tone and trim your jawline. Actually, by regularly completing these exercises, you may also strengthen the muscles of your mouth and neck. As a result, you will be less prone to loud and disruptive snoring throughout the night. Now that is really something to smile about. You can reduce snoring by making funny fish faces. Although it may sound strange, these faces help strengthen your facial and throat muscles. While you have your mouth closed, suck in the cheeks. Move your lips to form the typical face associated with fish. You should practice this technique a few times every day. To stop snoring, go on a weight loss regimen if you are currently overweight. Fat is intruding on the available space for your air passages, and those narrower passages are causing you to snore. If you get rid of the fat, your passages will be able to open fully, and you can stop snoring. As you read, snoring, while loud and annoying, may be your body's way of telling you something may be amiss. Instead of ignoring it, you should do something about it. Using the tips above, you can see what typically causes snoring and what can be done about it for more restful sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.